Hello everyone. In this video, we will install SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio free version. With SQL Server, you have many options to use. For example, use the cloud version on Azure, Edge browser. Other options here are that you will install SQL Server Developer or Express version. For personal needs and for learning, creating data servers for desktop, web, and small server applications, we will use SQL Server 2022 Express version. Scroll down to the Express section and click the Download button. After downloading, open the folder containing the downloaded file. Before installing, I recommend that you check the technical specifications of the computer you want to install to see if it meets the requirements to install SQL Server. Then update the operating system before proceeding with the installation to ensure everything is the best. To install, double-click on the downloaded file. Wait a moment for a dialog box to appear. Select Yes and continue. Then an installation window appears on the screen. For simplicity, I will choose Basic and continue. The next step is to accept the terms and agreements by clicking the Agree button. You can read the detailed terms or skip them. A new window appears allowing you to choose where to save the SQL Server installation. If there is nothing special, just click the Install button to continue. Now you wait for the download and installation of the SQL Server components to complete. Note that you need to ensure that the installation drive capacity is large enough to successfully install SQL Server. Usually about 10 GB I think is comfortable, so I have successfully installed SQL Server. The next step is to install the intuitive interface tool that is easy to manipulate and use SQL Server. This tool is called SSMS SQL Server Management Studio. On the interface that appears, select Install SSMS. Then the browser will open a web page where you can download the SSMS tool. You click on the link as I show on the screen to download this tool. After downloading SSMS, we proceed to install it. You open the location where the SSMS download file is located and double-click to install. Then a window will appear. You just need to click Install and wait for it to finish installing. So we have successfully installed SSMS. Now I will close the windows that are showing on the screen and proceed to test whether the installation was successful or not. To open SSMS, in the search box of the window, you type SSMS then select SQL Server Management Studio. Below the search result name is the word app, not the results with the X extension. The SSMS interface appears. You select the Login tab. Leave the server type as default. Leave the server name as default. Select Window Authentication as default in the Authentication section. Note that the number of SQL servers you install will appear in the server name section. Below there is an encryption dialog box. Remember to tick it. Finally, click Connect to connect to SQL Server. If it connects as in the video, it means you have successfully installed SQL Server and SSMS. To log out of the SSMS tool, just click the jack icon with an X next to it. To log in, click the jack icon without an X on the left and log in. Now I will try to create a new database named Test to see if it is successful or not. Note that in SQL Server, only one database name is allowed to exist in a schema. I will rename the database Test1. In the table section of the Test1 database, I will create a new table with 2 columns. Once created, press Ctrl S and name the table Students and click OK. Then click on the Tables section. Select Refresh or click the refresh icon on the Object Explorer toolbar. Next, click the plus button at the top of the Tables section in the Test1 database and you will see the Students table we just created. Now you can add data or do something with the newly created table. Everything has worked well. Congratulations on successfully installing SQL Server, SQL Server Management Studio. If you find the video useful, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.